Hey, good morning. It's Denise from Denise Travel. So today's August 16, 2025, and we are currently in Honolulu, Hawaii, staying at the Embassy Suites, Waikiki Beach. And I just want to give you a peek of this particular suite that we are staying in. So as you walk in the door, to your left is the bathroom. You have all the amenities you need. Underneath there is a hair dryer. Not too big of a bathroom, but big enough for a family. And we walk into the living room area. This particular suite has the kitchen and living room connected. Here's the kitchen area. Has a microwave. Little refrigerator here. Cabinet space if you want to go shopping. Coffee maker. Microwave. Ice bucket and glass. There's the living room section. It does have storage under the cabinet in the living room. There's a safe here. It's got a nice big safe. It's big enough to fit a computer inside. Nice big television. And we are in the Aloha Tower. Here's the view from our 9th floor. We're in room 932. So as you can see, there's the pool. To your right is the breakfast area, and to your left there is a bar. And what they do is they have evening reception every night down in the pool area from 6:30 to 8. Where they serve wine, beer, and other drinks, and they give hors d'oeuvres, so you can get the chips and dip or fruit. And in the evening, they also, on Friday nights, they have fireworks. So we got here yesterday, which was Friday, and we were able to capture the beautiful fireworks that they had going on. And I'll show you this ocean view, as you can see. There's plenty of hotels over there. It's a nice area. Well, we're considering going to Hawaii. We're actually going to go on the Norwegian cruise on August 30th, so we figure we'd come down and hang out for a couple of weeks, do some excursions on the island before our cruise. So I'll definitely do some other videos to show the different itineraries that we enjoy while we're just hanging out in Oahu. Well, so we're at the Waikiki Embassy Suites Hotel, and we just got here on Friday. And on Friday nights they have fireworks. Look how beautiful it is from our room.
It's like a 5-minute display.
How nice is that? Got here just in time to see the fireworks from our balcony. And they run this every Friday night. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.